Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a screen lock on our HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To set up our lock screen, we have to go to the settings here. We have to scroll down to biometrics and password. Here we have lock screen password option. We can use our digits to set up a 6-digit PIN, or we can change lock method, use for custom or a pattern if you want. For example, an L shape, we have to redraw to confirm our option, our pattern. Done. We don't need a fingerprint right now, thank you. Let's see if it's working. And it's working. Everything works. Very simple. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.